We got another subscription box from Universal Yums. Let's see which part of the world we're tasting today. We're tasting Germany.
Hello.
First thing we're gonna try, hot dog snacks. Ooh, it really smells like hot dog sandwich. It's like pigs in a blanket. The texture is like Cheetos Pops. It's really hot dog with pickles and ketchup. Not cheesy at all. And the smell is very strong. 9 out of 10.
I can't remember your powder here because this is too tiny. Tastes really like hot dog. 10.
I cannot pronounce this, but let's utilize the book.
Delicious wafer rolls with black currant flavored cream.
Ooh, coated inside the wafer. Very light flavor, airy, vanilla-y. Current, it tastes like a pomegranate, raspberry, 8 out of 10.
It's like a fruity wafer. Solid 9 out of 10.
My name, Apple. Thank you guys for having this snack. 10 out of 10 already. Called Sweet and Sour Apple Trio. Gummy bears / peach rings. Very sour, like green apple. It's just a typical sweet and sour patch. 7 out of 10 for the taste, 10 out of 10 for the name.
It's sour. It's addictive. 10.
Marzipan, perfectly coated. Chocolate covered marzipan, 8 out of 10.
Chocolatey and nutty, 9.
Caramels, non-alcoholic malt beverage.
Ooh.
Wow.
Ooh.
It's like malty, 6 out of 10.
Oh, it's a beer flavor but a lot of sweetness. 9 out of 10.
Saltlets, straightforward salted pretzel sticks, 9 out of 10.
10.
Stracciatella, bonbon. Look at that. It's like chocolate sprinkles. Very sweet, airy. One in the middle is too sweet for me. It tastes like chocolate crinkles. We'll give this 7 out of 10.
Feeling is very sweet, but it's really good. I think for me, 8.
Pommes ketchup Ritz. Ooh! Remind you of the veggie stick. Also, there's a hole in the middle. I love the crunch. Ketchup flavor. It's not salty. I will give this 8 out of 10.
Taste is like picnic in the Philippines. I like it. 8.
We have 2 bars of chocolate. Strawberry crisp white chocolate. Dark chocolate with cherry. Look at the back part of the chocolate. Almost like cheesecake. All those crispy strawberry. 10 out of 10.
It has feeling of cherry in the middle. Bitterness of the chocolate, the flavor of the cherry, and the chocolate is not too sweet. 10.
The curly peanut classic. Ooh, really smell the peanut. It looks like puffs. This is weird. It's really peanut. I will give this 8.
Roasted peanuts. It's pops. 10.
Also get an advent calendar with the box. This includes 100 candies from all over the world. If you spend $99 or more at universalyums.com, get these advent calendars for free.
While supply lasts.
Also a lot of nice design that you can guess what flavor you will get.
Thank you, Germany, for letting us taste your snack.
Make sure to go to universalyums.com to start your own snack adventure.